Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel Wonder Cookroom. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys a few more of the basic Indian spices. So let's start our today's video. Moving on to our first spice, we are going to talk about red chili powder that we call lal mirchi powder. This spice was brought to the subcontinent by the Portuguese. Its origin is South America, but it's frequently used in subcontinent. This powder is prepared from the seeds of red chili. It is very hot and should be used in small quantity, but you can use it according to the desired spiciness. Red chili powder is one of the most common ingredients in most of the subcontinental curries and other dishes. We also use dried chilies. Next, we are talking about turmeric or haldi. It is probably the most common spice used in Pakistani and Indian dishes. Turmeric belongs to the ginger family. Turmeric has a warm taste and aroma. It is generally added for its color. It has a subtle flavor too. Before turmeric found its use in cooking, it has been used as medicine and a dye for thousands of years. Turmeric comes with loads of health benefits. It has antiseptic qualities. Turmeric added to warm milk can help relieve cough, and turmeric milk also improves skin health. Moving on to the third spice of today, Asafoetida or hing is another Indian spice that has strong taste and aroma. Hing grows in Kashmir and some parts of Punjab. Asafoetida belongs to the parsley family. It is added to a variety of dishes, but it is not commonly used. Asafoetida has a strong aroma just like roasted garlic and a truffle-like flavor. Asafoetida finds usage in a variety of Indian snacks like kachori and more. In order to use this spice, you will have to add it to hot oil before adding anything else. Now, talking about Nigella seeds, or what we call kalwanji in Pakistan. It is another Indian spice which is predominantly used in areas of Pakistan and eastern India. Nigella seeds are added to various breads like naan, savory biscuits and pickles. This spice has a subtle bitter sweet flavor and has many medical properties. It is used in various traditional Bengali dishes and to temper curries and dal. It is one of the main ingredients in Panch Phoron, an important Bengali spice mixture. Nigella seeds need to be tempered in oil and roasted dry before adding to recipes. Moving on to the last spice for today, coriander, also known as dhania. It is probably the most universal of all the spices in our spice rack. It is one of the oldest known spices in the world, and it's described by its golden yellow color and gently ridged texture. The seeds are very aromatic with citrus notes. Whole coriander is used as a base for many spice mixes, and ground coriander is one of the most commonly used spices in our cuisine. It needs to be dry roasted until you can start seeing a light golden brown tinge to the seeds, and they start popping in the pan. That is all for today's video, everyone. If you want me to make videos on other spices as well, do let me know in the comment section. I hope you all enjoyed the video and learned something new. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. We'll be posting a delicious recipe next week. Stay tuned, take care and bye.